What do writer's block, the yips, and fear of failure all have in common? The false belief that you have to do something well, like your life depends on it. If you have writer's block and you think you have to write well, then yeah, you're going to be tied up. You're going to be getting that block. If you got the yips and you think you got to play well, then yep, you're going to keep sucking and staying in that slump. If you think that failure is a real thing, well, it's not. It's just a concept, but it has a feeling of shame and not feeling enough or worthy associated with it. So of course you're going to be like, oh shit, I can't fail. I got to be perfect. Everything's got to be chef's kiss. But nope. When you're in your flow, it's not really you anyway. Your best performances, your best great American novels, they all come from beyond you. The bad ideas, you could take credit for those if you want, but just go ahead and suck. Go ahead and start the thing. Let yourself suck. Take a deep breath. Let yourself open up that space where you can contain the part of you that's really bad at something and really, really good. It's all there. You don't have to avoid the bad part. And maybe you think the bad part's not acceptable, but if you think that, then maybe you've inherited that from something that's not you, because you probably wouldn't say that to yourself. And if you do, you can start practicing self-compassion and saying, oh, that sucked, but I'm okay. That was really bad, but you know what? It's not the end of the world. And then you can start to free yourself up to just flow. And then that's when the good stuff starts to flow. And that's when, you're back where you want to be. But don't worry about that right now. Just start. Just let yourself be bad. There is no block. There is no failure. There are no yips. Just get it cracking. And you'll be all right. Have a great day.